central Stephenson County in northwestern Illinois until 10:30 p.m. At 9:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Pearl City, or 8 miles west of Freeport, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Freeport, Lena, Pearl City, Cedarville, Davis, Dakota, Rock City, Buena Vista, Rock Grove, Rancheville, Illinois, Red Oak, Damascus, Atoki, Scioto Mills, Wiwx, Dakota Dorning Airport, Knowlton, and Lake Somerset. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. This is Noaa's Weather Radio, KZZ 57 in Rockford. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in